So, hey guys. Oh, can't see my face. Okay, so you might know what this video is about from the title. So, if you can guess, everyone knows, but yeah. So, last time I showed you how to make this slime. Might not look like slime, but it is. I forgot to tell you that you need to let it dry over about 2 nights. So yeah, because you can't put it in the freezer since it's glass. Well, I mean, you can't, but you could put it in the freezer if you don't want to wait that long. Because then it's not going to stick to your hands like a finger. But it does stick, but only if you put it like deep. But you can put it back. So this time I'm going to show you how to make slime as I did last time with the suave men and the suave kids. So yeah, so the ingredients, like the materials you need is something to mix in and something to mix with, but I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do for the mixing. I might just grab a spoon. Yeah. Let's get started. So, first you want to pour it in. I'm going to pour in the suave mix. And the much you pour in, the much soap you're going to use for your slime. Okay. So then, since you pour in that, now you want to pour it in some suavekins. And I'll show you half of the part of it. Let me just do this half first. Okay. So you can see that I'm pouring it in. There you go. So now you want to get something to mix with. I'll be right back. I'm going to find something.
Are you still recording?
Okay, I had a hard time finding something, but finally found something. It's a wooden spoon. So now you want to mix it. Mix the slime with it. And like once it gets like slime-like, it should look like thick. And it is getting thick. So it should getting thick. This is how it should look. Thick and ready. Okay, I'm just mixing it. And since the suave kit is like a clear green, it's not going to really show, so it's hidden with the suave men. So it's not going to show. But the suave men, it is because it's blue. So, yeah. So now I'm gonna add some more strawberries. I could touch it, but it just keeps on getting on my hand. So I'm gonna add some more strawberries. Trying not to ruin my clothes. Okay. Now I'm just mixing it in. So you can kind of tell that it is getting slime-like. Kind of getting slime-like, but it's not supposed to stick to your spoon. Or like whatever. And it is getting slime-like. As you can see, it's not sticking to my spoon in the mix. Only a little bit, that's fine. But you can put it back. Just want to mix it really good. And then you could add some salt to make it more faster. So I'll do that. So I'm just going to touch it first. So I'll be right back. Because actually, why don't you come with me? So I'll just check. It's only going to be for a little. I'm just going to find you guys so you're not funny. I'm just going to jump over my bed. My pup is right there. So I'm just watching TV right now. So, yeah. Don't mind that. Okay. So I just add some sauce. But if you don't believe me, I'll do it again. Because I need some. You can see the thing come out. So now the second ingredient is to wash your hands if yours is ready like mine is. So I'm just going to put you on the seat. Just like that. So I'll be right back. And washing your hands is a secret ingredient. So if you don't, the thing will stick. And I like the sound. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, really cool. So mix it. And as you can see, it got on my hand, but not that much. So only if you wash it like really, really good, it won't. But yeah, so that's technically how you make slime. So I'm gonna put it somewhere. Try to find something. I don't know if you can see my fingers, but like they're right here. I'll point at them. Right there. These three. That's really cool because I thought that this slime didn't have like a sound, and I like did hear it when I first made it. So yeah, but I got the idea from Slime Master, I did prior to them. As the last video, but they didn't see that one, so I just said for this video too. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.